Creatures of the World show. We are very happy to have all of you here with us today.
Yes, by the way folks, my name is Mac and with me is my partner. Her name is Kat, and we are your presenters for today's show. So guys, tell me, are you excited? Yeah!
Alright, since everyone is ready, how about we start the show with a competition? Bring out the contenders.
Okay, let's bring out the contenders. On my side, I have here Michael, our African great, together with trainer Carissa.
And over here, we have Oscar, together with trainer Francis.
Alright, now, let's see who will be able to segregate these rubbish faster. But before we start, I need your help, guys. From this row up to there, can we all cheer for Michael? Just sing the same Michael as loud as we can, alright? Yeah!
And over here, from this side all the way to the end, can we all cheer for Oscar? You can do better, guys. Oscar! Okay.
Alright, sounds fair. So are you ready?
Yeah.
What about you guys? Are you ready? Yes! Okay, let's begin. Ready? Set, go! Okay, come on Michael, go! Come on Michael, go, hurry! Come on, faster, faster! Hey, come on!
Come on, Oscar.
Michael, come on, please hurry! Michael, come on, hurry!
One more.
That's all you can do, Michael, come on! It's alright, Michael. Okay, just finish it. Okay, come on, last one, last one.
Last one.
Come on, you can do it. Come on, Michael. Come on. Here we go. Almost there. Come on, Michael. Alright. There we go.
Great job there, Michael. Alright, these are the hornbills. They are called Blythe's hornbills. Now, what is unique about them is that they are dimorphic. What does that mean? Well, that means you can easily tell which one a male and a female is based solely on their appearance. Now, over here on your right,
Here you go. Alright. Well, you know, folks, porcupines may look like pig from afar because of their round body. But you know what? They are actually classified or considered as rodents. In fact, they are the third largest rodents in the world.
that is right. Now, of course, the porcupine's best defense mechanism are the quills on their back.
Well, you know, folks, crunch beans are usually the easy target for the raccoons. They have learned that their food doesn't have to move around, like frogs.
So some
Pelicans are one of the heaviest flying birds in the world. They can weigh for as much as 10 to 15 kilograms. Well, we might think that they are not affected by these global issues. But you know what? We are absolutely wrong on that. Because overfishing and pollution are one of the many problems that they are facing.
specifically adapted to climbing trees. They have very sharp claws that help them grab onto the trees so that they can climb higher, and they have long tails to keep them balanced so that they won't fall off the tree.
Yes, and you know what? It will give us companionship and a happy life. If you don't believe me, watch this.
Beautiful animals you've just seen. We'd like to thank you all so much for joining us here today.
Yes, we do hope you enjoyed the show, and we hope that you're happy